Well, good morning. In the first block that we showed you all the damage done around the region from Hannah, and we were tracking the storm and watching those winds as it made landfall as a high-end Category 1 storm to our south. The highest wind speeds were down to the south of us, but we did have some respectable winds here that did cause that damage. Laguna Shores wind speed peaked at 70 miles an hour. Packery Channel 68 in Bob Hall Pier, we got that 68-mile-an-hour report. Around Corpus Christi, 54 at the airport. Nueces Bay 59, but Portland 56. Look at Port Aransas peaking at 68, but Rockport 48-mile-an-hour winds. And inland, we saw 53 at Kingsville, but Baffin Bay, we had a report of 81-mile-per-hour winds. So we did see those peak gusts pretty high this weekend, and fortunately now all has quieted down. But we're still seeing some moisture out there. Some tropical moisture is left, and we're going to see this the next couple of days, along with a trough of lower pressure that's going to spark showers and thunderstorms. So we still have rain in the forecast, which we have out there right now. You can see it moving in from the Gulf, and as we go through the day today, we'll see this being very scattered. Right now, we have some moderate showers from Jim Wells County heading into Duval County. Also a few around Corpus Christi, including just south of Corpus Christi here, as well as near just north of Taft. So a little bit of rain, and you'll be seeing that on and off today, but there'll still be plenty of dry time in between, and not as windy today either. Outside right now, the temperatures are pretty warm. We're in the lower 80s, 81 at Alice to 82 at Corpus Christi. Those winds coming in from the east-northeast at about 8 miles an hour in Corpus Christi. The high temperatures today will stay a little bit below average. So as we go through the day, you have the chance we could get a shower or a thunderstorm, and those temperatures topping out near 90 to 93 from Beeville to George West. But as you get closer to the coastline, Corpus Christi staying at 89 today, 86 at Port Aransas, so getting a little bit of a break from the extreme heat we can have this time of year. Future tracker showing as we go through the morning hours. Notice how hit and miss the rain is, but it's out there, and there could be some pockets of moderate to heavy rainfall as well in some of these showers and thunderstorms as they move through. So the rain could really come down heavily for a period of time as they pass through. As you can see here, 4 o'clock showing some heavier rain as we head into southern Duval and Clayburgh County. It'll be hit and miss though throughout the day, and then tomorrow it picks up again, very scattered in nature. Rainfall amounts though, because we could have those pockets of heavy rain, we are looking at the potential of a few spots, and this is through Wednesday. This is the next 3 days. Pockets of 1.5 inches possible. Some areas just coming in with much lower totals, possibly just 1/4 inch. Another system we're watching now that Hannah has moved into Mexico is this one. This has a good chance of developing, but right now forecast models are taking that to our east. So we'll keep an eye on the next system out in the Atlantic, but nothing to worry about for right now. The next 7 days then, scattered showers and storms. The next 3 days, the heat and humidity though, they do return as we dry out for the weekend. Paulo?